Greetings friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another sewing tutorial and pattern. Today I will be showing you how to make this off-the-shoulder poofy cottagecore blouse. Go ahead and print off the pattern from the link in the description, making sure the scale is correct. I would recommend using a light, non-stretch fabric. I'll be using this pretty lightweight cotton. You will also need 1/4 inch wide elastic. Go ahead and cut out your pattern pieces. First, we'll start with the sleeves. Transfer the markings on the pattern onto your fabric. Using these lines as a guide, pinch the fabric in between your fingers and fold over. Press this in place. This will make a casing for the elastic, so make sure it is wide enough, but also not too big. Do this twice on each sleeve and pin in place. Go ahead and fold the edge over of each sleeve to hem the fabric. Sew along both sides of each fold to create a channel for the elastic. Thread a 4.5 inch length of elastic through each casing, making sure to pin and sew in place. The elastic makes the sleeves extra poofy. Now we move on to the bodice. Pin and sew the short, flat sides above the sleeve opening with the right sides together. Now would also be a good time to hem the bottom of the bodice. Cut a piece of elastic that can wrap around your doll's shoulders. This should be about 14 inches. With the bodice inside out, fold over about 1/2 inch on the top. This will make a casing for the elastic, so again, compare the folds to the elastic to make sure it is wide enough. I find it is useful to slip the bodice on the end of my ironing board for this step. Press down and sew in place. Cut a small slit on the inside of the casing and thread your elastic through the casing. Sew the ends of the elastic together so it forms a loop trapped in the casing. Put gathering stitches in the curved side of the top of the sleeve. Lay out the bodice with right side facing up. Face the wrong side of the sleeve up. And pin the sleeve to the armhole of the bodice, gathering the sleeve to fit the bodice. Sew this in place. Do this with both sleeves. With the shirt inside out, fold the shirt in half at the shoulders. Match the ends of the sleeves together and bottom edges together on each side. Pin and sew in place. And you're done. I hope you enjoy using this pattern. This blouse will also be available in my Etsy store, linked below. If you want, pop over to the community tab and tell me what kind of sewing tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching!